Hey guys, just want to shoot a video of my finishing product of my Z Master 255 62-inch zero turn. Um, Sorry, it's a little rocky. Like you guys know, I'm in a wheelchair, but I just basically finished a complete restoration. It's pretty badass, man. This thing, I cut the grass yesterday in this thing, and holy cow, she does like 30. But I just wanted to show it to you guys. 62-inch deck, 25 horsepower Kohler, fast as hell. And you don't really need to have the throttle all the way up to cut the lawn. It's really weird, but she works really good. She cut the lawn really well. I did the rod, I did the cam, I did everything. Shit, the heads, new springs, new lifters, new pistons, new all that, everything. Jesus, the whole entire engine. I redid the whole engine. If you know these things, these are very pricey little toys, but she does cut lawn really well. Let me show you. Sorry, so it's a pretty good cut. I mean, she cut the lawn really nice, you know? That's really what you want from a lawnmower. It's a lawnmower that cuts grass good. So that's where I'm at. Please like and subscribe. I think my next project's gonna be a John Deere. I don't know yet. I'm hoping I can get this John Deere I'm looking at. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you have any opinions, please put them down there. All right, thank you.